Hey everyone, John here. Taking a quick look at Uniswap on the 4 hour, we've been printing a series of lower highs and lower lows. It's been having trouble getting back up above this trend line. I've been looking at different time frames. Price is trading below that 200 moving average on the 3 hour, 2 hour, and 1 hour. So just be patient with this one until it busts through out of this trend line, starts to establish a series of higher highs and higher lows. I'll just be staying away from Uniswap. Of course, none of this is financial advice. Taking a quick look at their main website, uniswap.org. Easy to understand, easy to navigate, guarantee liquidity for millions of users and hundreds of Ethereum applications. This is your interface. Connect to your wallet, MetaMask Wallet Connect. And from here, you can take one of these coins and just swap it to another token that you want. Also, shout out to Whiteboard Crypto. I think they did an excellent job explaining what Uniswap is all about. You can be a token swapper or become a liquidity provider. If you want to be a liquidity provider, you can go to 𝗨𝗏𝗡𝗏.com and you guys can check out this website. So this is a form of staking. Check out the different APRs by using this website. Now, there are a lot of alternatives to Uniswap. They're not the only player in town. And I just wonder how many of these guys will stick around in 5 years. Now, if you jump over to their Google Trends, it's been dropping, but we do have a lot of search volume in China. Taking a quick look at the traffic overview, I mean, this is just massive. Back in the month of May, they got up over 16 million visitors. You got main visitors coming from the United States, China, UK, and Canada. Shout out to Fractal Media for explaining how to mine Uniswap on any computer using the Unminable software. And after you mine, you can use 𝗏𝗏 to stake. If you don't have a Windows computer, you can use parallels.com. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on Uniswap. Are you trading or investing Uniswap? Leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button so you'll be getting our videos on the daily. Appreciate you. I'll talk to you soon.